evening. It has been about a week since Occupy Las Vegas was granted that home base by the county, and so far things are running smoothly between demonstrators and authorities.
That has not been the case, though. Nationwide, violence has erupted between police and Occupy members. Fox 5's Marian Martinez is live at Tropicana in Paradise now with how the local movement is working to prevent any problems. Marianne?
Well, John, as you can see behind me, the number of people who are camping out here has grown considerably since we were last out here about a week ago now. As new members join, organizers say they lay down the ground rules, and that includes no violence. Images of a violent clash between Oakland police and Occupy Oakland are streaming across the country.
That's not happening here in Las Vegas. We are not Oakland.
Robert Pasciola says leadership in the Occupy Las Vegas movement went to county authorities and said they wanted to work with them. That includes police.
When there's an issue, they contact us. They say, we need to discuss with you the issue of President Obama coming to visit. What is your plan?
Occupy members didn't go near the president because they didn't want to put a bigger burden on police officers. Metro regularly visits a site near Tropicana and Paradise where Occupy is based.
Metro came here last night. They were very humble with us, and there was no problem. We went up and shook hands.
Not one person has been arrested at Occupy Las Vegas.
Some members realize that any conflict distracts from the group's message.
It's not about trying to, cause problems.
The Occupy movement is a hybrid of people from all walks of life. You don't have one specific demographic. So to control that demographic, which we're not trying to control anybody, you just have to have a concise message.
But as the group grows, the message is harder to control. Look what happened to our station's vehicle. Members of Occupy Las Vegas immediately cleaned it off and apologized. Now, as a growing organization, Occupy Las Vegas is learning to deal with the press. They have received some coverage they don't like, and some members have actually threatened to kick the media off of this lot, but the county assures us that this is a public place and we can be here. Any press organization can be here with or without the approval of Occupy Las Vegas. Marian Martinez, Fox 5 News, local Las Vegas.
Okay, Marianne, thank you. Well